Welcome back to Estrada Nada.
Do you? Goodbye! Goodbye! I'm in it! Oh my God! Welcome back to Estrada Nada Gang. As you can see behind me, got a new pickup. I'm gonna take you guys around it, show you guys what I'm about to do to it. Make sure we get the most money for it. Before we start, make sure you like and subscribe. You know, it helps the algorithm, guys. I literally just picked this up last night. I paid $1,200 for it. It's running and driving. It's a clean title, has 99,000 miles on it. But let me take you around and show you what all we got to do to it, because we got to really put some elbow grease into this one, because this one, I feel like I can make a lot of money on this one because of all the things that we got to do to it, you know. But I'm about to show you what we need. All right, just walking up to the car, you can see the biggest thing is this dent. This dent is one of the biggest pieces that I'm gonna have to fix. I'm probably gonna go to the junkyard to go get a new one for that. I'm gonna just take you all around the car. As you can see, these lights are on right now. These lights are on right now because apparently that door is saying that it's open. So I gotta fix that. You see these tires, they're actually really good. I'm gonna do some work to the headlights, you know. This side over here is definitely sun faded. I'm gonna try to polish that up. I think I can save it. You can see a little bit right there of the paint. I'm pretty sure I can save that. Take you guys around it. You know, just something. Sunroof does work in it. Fire. As you can see, these are mismatch rims. Mismatch. Honestly, I'm not too worried about it. It is what it is. You see the back is actually pretty clean. Now, interior-wise, I gotta clean a lot. As you can see, that this panel just literally fell off right now, but that ain't nothing big. Glue that up, call it good. So we gotta fix out everything, clean it up. It's really dirty in here. But actually, the crazy thing about this is that this door actually opens. I was afraid that it wasn't gonna be able to open, you know. But look, we got dirtiness. I actually haven't even been back here in the back seat. Clean all that up. Clean that up. The AC works on this. Show you guys the trunk with the pop out for you. Feel me? Big trunk. We got spare. It's always good. Let's see what we got. What we got going on over here. Oh, you see, it's coming off as well. That's no biggie. Glue that up real nice. But you see, I'm about to show you guys the engine bay. So the engine bay's dirty, but you know how we do over here. This is something light. I'm gonna do oil change, antifreeze flush, because the antifreeze in there is like color of the car, which is not good. But like I said, this has 99,000 miles on it. It is a 2007, so it's hard to get it because of that door eject shit. But look, it should show it right now when at there 99,000 miles. See, it keeps saying that, but it says the driver door, which is weird. Close the driver door, is still saying it. I think it's not even this door back there. I'm thinking it's this door, something wrong with it. But show you guys the AC works. This light stays on because of that eject of the door. Put it in drive. It runs really fucking good, honestly. I got this shit for a fucking steal. I got the AC going, you feel me? Yeah, I'm about to go to the junkyard right now to see if I can find a door for this one. Cause that's our biggest thing. David's gonna come a little later to help me with the oil change and actually cleaning this. All right, I'm here at the junkyard. Right, It looks like it's the same color, but this one's a wagon. Yeah, it's not gonna work because this whole body line is different from what I got. Shit. This is literally the same color too. But it's a fucking wagon. And all the other ones they got, blue, silver, green. I know those words. Charcoal, white, and gold. This one's the gold one. Fuck. Looks like I gotta go to a different salvage yard. It doesn't swoop down like that. It kind of goes up and like straight shot. All right, well, on to the next one. All right, as you guys can see, we're at a different fucking junkyard. This is the right one. It's got little things done to it, nothing crazy though. But this is the door. I don't think I need anything else from here. I'm about to take this shit off. See you when I'm done. All right, I got it off. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I'm gonna take the screws just in case. The only thing that was, fuck, it's hot. The only thing that was hard, fuck, it's fucking hot. I was taking off the door without dropping it, cause this thing is clipped inside of it. I gotta see what else I need from here. Should I take these mirrors off? Nah, I don't need that shit. Let's take a look around. Could get the same rim for it, but I honestly don't think that's a big deal. As you can see, there's like clips, but they break. So I think just gluing it, it's gonna be my best bet for that. Taking that, and then I gotta grab that. But yeah, I'm gonna turn you guys back on when we're back outside. As you can see, I got in the car and now I gotta walk all the fucking way over there. Let's get it. Door secured, it's in here, we're good to go. Alright, we're back at the headquarters. They got on ramps, oil change, coolant flush. And the total for that door was $60. That's not a bad deal. I could take this back and they'll give me $7 for it. I'll probably do that. Honestly, probably not. I don't really give a shit that much. But yeah, I'm gonna get started with that. One thing that you should do whenever you get like cars is go get your tires aired up. Usually whenever people are selling cars like these at this price, they neglect them. So free air at Discount Tire, always do that. And I'm about to do that whenever I'm done doing all the oil and the coolant for this. Yeah, I'm just giving y'all game. Coolant getting flushed. I already got the oil flushed. Oil's already changed. I'm flushing it right now. I gotta get the hose running. That way it spits out all the bullshit. As you can see now it's clear, so we're good. I'm gonna remove the hose, plug that back up, and then add the coolant. And then I'm gonna put that door on right now. As you can see, it's running good. Temp is good. I'm just taking it to go get some air in these tires before they close. Seems good right now. When I get back to the house, I'm just gonna probably add a little bit more coolant in it and top off the oil. Then we can get started with that door. I gotta fix this driver door. See why the hell it's doing that. But yeah. So we're right here at the Discount. Get you your free air. Just in line. Been in line for like 10 minutes. Temp's all good. We're good to go. Get this air in and then we can start fucking with the interior. Alright, I'm about to move on to the door. Always, whenever we buy a new car, we add one of these. Usually use the Lucas ones, but this is what we had. pretty simple. When you go fill it up, I already put some gas in here. You go fill it up, you just boom, put it in there, you're good to go. All right, that fucking door is a pain in the ass. I ain't gonna lie to you, but switched out. You see it? The old one, big dented up. This one, this paint is not as good, but I think it's just dirty right now. But it's definitely more presentable. This one's tinted. This is the only window that's tinted at the time. Call it a day. Maybe try to fuck with those things in there. Glue them back on. That was about it. Yeet.